Alright, so I just wanted to show you how to do problem 5. I would make my system there, because then all the forces kind of emanate out of that system. So I got T2 this way. I got weight going down. And then I've got T1 to the left. Okay? And then I would probably draw some reference lines so that I can identify angles. Okay? So there are my reference lines right there. And as you can see, this one is 30 degrees, right? Here's my object, my dot. That means this one's 30 degrees right there, right? And that means that this one is 60 degrees, and that means this one is 60 degrees. So now when I do my my vector sum diagram, whoops, didn't mean to erase all that. When I draw my vector sum diagram based on Newton's first law, I'll say that, okay, well, since the acceleration is 0, that means that not only is it not moving, but we're not expecting it to change its velocity. We're not expecting it to start moving all of a sudden. Since the acceleration is 0, that means the forces should add to 0. So now I'll copy my vectors and make them add to 0, right? So there goes my T2, there's my weight, and there's my T1. Notice I'm taking extra care to make sure each vector is in its correct direction, so that I can check with my picture, my force diagram, my vector sum diagram. Those all agree with one another. So that's an easy way to check your work. Okay? So what we're doing now is just figuring out angles. Okay? Now I can see, because I took so much care labeling my angles, I can see that this one is 60 degrees right there. This one is, let's see, yep, that one's 30 degrees. And this is 90 degrees. And we know that T1 to the left, we're told that one is 30 newtons, okay? And that's my shortest side, right? My longest side is T2, which should be double my shortest side. So that means T2 is 60 newtons. And the weight should be like 30 newtons. I take my shortest side times radical 3 newtons of force. So I was able to easily figure out the magnitudes of all the forces just by knowing those special rules of right triangles, of those 30, 60, 90 right triangles. Anyway, I hope that helps, and yeah, that's about all you could solve with that problem. Have a good day.